Hello, my dearest students. Welcome in GK study. I hope you all are fit and healthy. In this video lecture, you will learn Chapter 17 Luxury Tourist Train of the World. Luxury Tourist Trains of the World. In our India also, so many trains are there. Might be you have sit on the train and you have taken that opportunity to take the experience है ना. Even the some trains they are very special and luxurious है ना. They are designed like our home furniture as you are seeing in these pictures, right? Let's see the one by one. Which is that? Okay, are you seeing here the first one image of this and this, and this is the train है ना. This luxury tourist train of Russia connects Moscow in the east to Vladivostok in the west. It is equipped with private luxurious accommodation. This train offers luxury dining, conferencing, live music concert, and the 24 hours cabin attendant service. Do you know which train out of the help box? This is the Golden Eagle. The correct option is E, Golden Eagle. Then after you are seeing this is the second one. This luxury tourist train, India, connect important tourist spots in Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. The train has two multi-cuisines restaurant, conference, gym and spa facilities as you are seeing in this image. है ना? It has onboard internet connectivity and live television service in the cabins. Do you know which cabin, which train is this? The correct option is A, Golden Chariot. Golden Chariot is the train from the India. Then are you seeing the third one image of this and this? Right. This train luxury tourist train of South Africa. It is travels approximately 1600 kilometers between Pretoria and Cape Town. It provides 5-star luxurious hotel facilities. The main attraction of this train is the giant size TV monitor. Giant size TV monitor that shows the scenery of the track ahead with the help of camera fixed on the top of the engine. In addition, personal attendant is available in each coach. This train name is Blue Train. Blue Train. Then are you seeing the fourth one image beta? This is right. It is luxury train of Australia that connects 2979 kilometers of beautiful location in the Australian continent from Darwin in the north to Adelaide in south. It has all luxurious facilities available including excellent rooms, multi-cushions, restaurant and excellent services. Can you guess beta which train is this? The train name is The Ghan. The Ghan. Let's see the next one. This is the fifth one. I think maybe this is the oldest train in India. Means it is working from so many years. It is in the one of the most luxurious train in India. It departs from New Delhi and covers a many tourist place of Rajasthan in the 7 nights and 8 days journey. It has 56 air conditions, deluxe twin bedded cabins. ये आपको जैसे दिखते हैं ये इमेज में आपको ट्विन बेडेड डबल बेडेड लाइक सर्विस with internet Wi-Fi facility, color TV with music channels, intercom and attached toilet, running hot and cold shower, wall to wall carpeting and other amenities, and a very personalized service by a personal attendant in each cabin. The train has two luxurious restaurants. The Maharaja and the Maharani service continental, Chinese, Rajasthani and other Indian cuisines. This train name is Palace on Wheels. मीन्स आपको एक पैलेस जैसा ही एहसास होता है इस ट्रेन में. इट इज़ कॉल्ड पैलेस ऑन व्हील्स. लेट्स सी दी क्विज टाइम बेटा. व्हाट इज देयर इन क्विज टाइम? लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड टिक द आंसर. By the seeing this picture you can guess it. Which train is this? Name this luxurious train. Here the some examples are there: Oriental Express, Flying Queen, Maharaja and Princess Express. Can you guess which is this beta? This is B, Maharaja Express. It is currently, I think before 2 or 3 years only it is made. It is too luxurious train. Let's see the next question. One of the most striking features of this train is the help the trip begins or ends either in. It is train trip begins or ends either in Delhi or Mumbai. दिल्ली और मुंबई, या तो दिल्ली से स्टार्ट होती है और मुंबई पे एंड होता है, और मुंबई से स्टार्ट होती है और दिल्ली पे एंड होता है ना. The luxurious train has two dining coaches, that is named Des Mahal and Des Mahal. In that, Rang Mahal and Mayur Mahal, these two dining coaches are there. It's too much luxurious train they are working in our India. Find out in your net also. I think before 2 years when we did the exhibitions on railway, I think maybe you on that time you are in 4th standard and you come for showing, है ना. We have did that one exhibition on transport, air transport, railway transport. In that you have seen the one slide was going on, है ना. In that 5 or 6 trains you have seen that luxury tourist train in India, that the video you can see in YouTube also. Okay, luxury trains in India that you can see. Okay, so read this chapter properly, write down the answer, okay, and see the video. If you want to see on YouTube then you can see in that also. Okay beta, so you can more take knowledge about this. Write down the answer in the given places with very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and Here the options is are also is given, and here the quiz time is also given. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for seeing my video.